Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an advanced ticket system in Discord in 2026. So if you want a professional support system for users, automatic ticket handling, and clean customer support workflow, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, understand what a ticket system does. So it lets users create private support channels to report issues, ask questions, or get help from moderators. Next, choose a ticket bot. Most servers use bots like Ticket Tool or similar systems that automatically create private channels. So yeah, organize your tickets into categories like support, bugs, general help, and reports. This keeps everything structured and easy to manage. Now create a ticket panel message in your server. This is where users click a button or reaction to open a ticket instantly. So yeah, set permissions so only the user and staff can see the ticket. This ensures privacy and secure communication. Next, set up automatic responses. You can add greetings, instructions, and ticket tags like billing, support, or technical issues. So yeah, add a close button so staff can close tickets when the issue is resolved. This keeps your server clean and organized. Now enable logs so every ticket action is recorded. This helps moderators track support history and performance. Finally, make the system simple and user-friendly. So fewer steps means faster support and happier members. And that's how to create an advanced ticket system in Discord in 2026. Once you combine automation, structure, and proper permissions, your support system becomes fast and professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.